To open an account with Angel One, follow these steps. Visit the website. Go through Angel One website and navigate to the Open an Account section. Choose account type. Select the type of account you want to open. Angel One offers various types of accounts, including trading accounts, demo accounts, and commodity accounts. Fill online application. Complete the online application form with accurate personal details, including your name, address, contact information, PAN card number, and bank account details. Submit documents. Upload the necessary documents as per the requirements. This typically includes copies of your PAN card, Aadhaar card, address proof, and a passport size photograph. E-signature and verification. Electronically sign the documents using Aadhaar-based e-signature or opt for offline verification by couriering the signed physical documents to Angel One's office. Complete in-person verification. If required, schedule an appointment for in-person verification with a representative from Angel One. This may involve a video call or physical meeting. Pay account opening fees. Pay the account opening fees, if applicable, using the provided payment options. Account activation. Once the application and documents are verified and processed, your Angel One account will be activated. Receive Welcome Kit. Upon successful account opening, you will receive a welcome kit containing your account details and login credentials.